to make your Civic go faster. Shout out to the sponsors. No, cierto, there's not no sponsor. Anybody out there want to sponsor me? Sponsor me. Well, we're gonna be making the Civic more aerodynamic, more fast. I'm pretty sure this puts like at least 300 horsepower. At least. At least that's what I heard. Is it true? I don't know. Dude, come here. I'm gonna show you guys the way. So I'm at my parents' house. Look what happened. Come here. My stickers fell off. We were making like 1,000 horsepower. Now we're only making like 700. What a shame. Now we gotta make sure we follow these instructions to a T. If not, the engine may actually blow up. It's kind of crazy if you think about it. So clean the surface with window cleaner. I don't got window cleaner. We got alcohol. Same thing. Throw a match after you put gas. Oh, that's crazy. They go here, no? I think so. In case you guys don't know, we professionals around here. Look at this. Crazy. So you clean it like this. Make sure it's wet. That's what she said. That's crazy. Now it's clean. Okay. Now. What the hell are you doing, buddy? It does go here, right? That
no, that doesn't go there.
This is the other side. What happened?
Oh.
Ah, there we go. Wait, I didn't even clean it. Yeah, we're not too good at this. You know what's crazy? I actually went to mechanic school, and we can install some visors. I mean, some rain guards. Crazy.
Can't get the sticker out. This is actually harder than it looks. Don't judge us. Give him a stick. No, that's good. Just gotta make sure it's even. Is that even? That's it. Ah! That's not even up there. That's not even. Got it. Got it. Don't stick it yet. Got it right in there. Okay. Yeah. Wait, get a closer look at the technique. Slap up the finger.
What's up, guys? Today we're also installing this. It's a super lightweight, ultra high definition, 4K, Ultra K, 8K license plate cover. But it says Type R. In case y'all don't know what Type R means, it means the type to go racing with pre-assist, because we slow boys. But first, in case you guys don't know, you actually have to measure the circumference of the license plate. So you got the tape, you measure. Okay, that's 13. Okay, that's 10. So 13 by 10 equals 5, which equals -2 if you use the equation y equals mx plus b. So we have to take these two bolts out essentially. Yeah. Is this the rhythm?
I don't know.
Bitch.
Oh yeah, it's 10. It's the number 10. It's a number 10.
I don't know if I'm just gonna use it. Oh damn, they're hard. That's what she said. Right, Chris?
No.
Take this out. You take this one out. And then after this, you have to measure again. Remember guys, it's always good to double check your measurements all the time. So you measure this, that's 4 inches. 4 inches, and then you measure this, that's 7 inches. 7 inches, and then this is 5 inches. You gotta measure the batch, another 4 inches, so it's gonna fit. You can start recording from the phone. That's too long for the phone. Right. ¿Otro sí, no?
Uno de estos. Así, mira.
Ah, tenemos uno, un screwdriver. Oh, there's one here.
Yes.
Alright. The struggle. Wait, let me line this shit up on the phone. Yep. Yeah. No! Ah! I scratched my paint. What the hell? Wait. All you gotta do is stay for a minute. Why'd you get the smallest screwdriver que tenemos?
Right there, que estoy viendo aquí. You grabbed it.
Oh, what? And the final piece of the puzzle. Sure.